For the Lord gives wisdom, from his mouth comes knowledge and understanding. Proverbs chapter 2, verses 6.
Hello family, a very warm welcome back to the Lovystouch food channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Today,
I want us to make plantain fufu together with no stress, very, very smooth, silky, lump-free, and it tastes just like home. We are making this with fresh plantain with no pounding.
So please stay tuned and let's get right into it. You will love it so much. Let's get started.
So the first main ingredients that you need here are some fresh plantain. Before peeling off your plantain, please apply some oil on your palms so that the juices from this plantain will not stick onto your palms. It can be very itchy, and yeah, everybody has different reactions to it. So to avoid that, do that so that you'll be good to go. After peeling off the plantain, I'm going to cut them into smaller pieces as you see on your screens, and I'm going to give it a very nice blend. And we will move to the next step. Fufu has really become an international dish, and it's very much recognized by everyone, and it's very much linked to Ghana. So it's very important to make sure that we do it the right way. Lately, the fufu powder that we've been sold to feels a bit starchy. It does not feel like the original fufu that we had in Ghana. So this recipe is going to help out to all our Ghanaians living abroad, and we just have to incorporate this fresh ingredients in our fufu making, especially those of us who are addicted to fufu. It is important to know what you are really eating, so it's very important to incorporate this fresh ingredient when you're making your fufu. Don't trust that fufu company all the time. All right, so it's important to make sure that it is very nice and smoothly blended. You go ahead and put it on your gas top and just make sure you stir gently together. Make sure you're doing this on a low to medium heat so that you do not burn the pot. Okay, this is going to take you about 10 minutes on a low to medium heat. Okay, so go ahead and stir very well, and you have to also apply some force once it gets thicker so that it does not create any lumps. Okay, so once it gets thicker like this, I'm going to now add my very popular fufu flour that we have here in the diaspora, which is the African Queen fufu flour. It is great, but lately it has become too starchy for my liking, hence incorporating fresh plantain in it. Okay, so I added just 1.5 cup of that, and to that I added just 1 cup of water, and as you can see, it's very nice and thick and lump free. So I'm going to set it aside and continue to cook my plantain to also get rid of that extra harsh plantain aroma or scent that you do not want to have in your fufu. So I cooked it for about 10 minutes and then added my fufu flour paste, and that is it. We're going to mix it until everything is well united and incorporated. If you want your fufu to be extra hard, I want mine on the much softer side. You just want to go ahead and reduce the amount of water you'll be mixing with your fufu flour. Okay, so go ahead and stir everything together. And as the heat increases, you're going to also increase in the thickness of your fufu, and this is the texture that I prefer. If you want it a little bit thicker, you just want to go ahead and add more of your fufu flour, this time not adding too much water. Okay, so we're done after cooking this about 15 minutes, and we are good to go. This is so amazing way to enjoy some good fufu without feeling too guilty and questioning yourself if this is the true fufu you're eating or just touch. This has been my go-to way of making my fufu. And just look at that. It is very nice, soft, and so fluffy as well. You just want to make sure that you mold it into these shapes. You know, this is the traditional shape of fufu, how our Ghanaian fufu looks like. Yes, please keep this shape. No other shape is accepted. Thank you. So right now we are done, and it's looking so amazing. I do not like fufu that is very, very hard. So this consistency right here was just perfect with our tilapia rice soup that was bussy. They were nice and very spicy, just the way I like it. You can definitely pair this with your light chicken light soup as well, all type of light soup, honestly, with your peanut butter soup, your palm nut soup, ebunu bunu, and the like. Fufu goes so well with any Ghanaian soup of choice. So there you have it. Just look how beautiful it was, and it's just so smooth, lump free, and it was just so tasty. I hope that you enjoyed this amazing recipe and you're going to give it a try, and also save, share for your friends and family as well. And if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again. And as always, know that you're so beautiful just the way you are. I will see you in my next one. Have a blessed day. Bye.